Sorry, we lost connection to the internet once again. Please forgive us. Honey? Yes? I brought over my friend that are gangsters over here. You brought gangsters over here? Yes, I'm sorry, ma'am, my beautiful wife. I just wanted to, because they are my friends. And they're really retarded. Kill me, please.
I am the master of the sun in this land, and get off me! Get off me!
F off. Work. This is me twerk.
Oh my god, you thick, bruh.
Hey, Stanley, what's going on, bruh? Yay, my friends are here! What did you do? I just invited some friends, that's all. Hell no! Get these people out of here! Woo! Well, I'm Temporary Shadow's magic. Hi, everyone. I can talk. F all of you. Just kidding. I'm magical.
Friendship is magic. Friendship fucking sucks.
That was on video. I will use my magic to make that.
Before I burnt your ass.
Wow. Ow! This will work. I swear to.
It better work.
This. Yes! Yes! Open up your eyes. Ah! Open up your eyes. Open up your eyes. My husband Stanley's retarded, people. Don't marry him if you want to. Attention, everybody in this area. The big fireworks show will start very soon. Please stand by and wait for it to get a little more darker before we can start the show. Thank you. Honey, I'm scared. There's nothing to be scared about, Stanley. It's just a show. Ow. Huh?
Lights, sucker.
Oh my god! Honey, I'm scared. Cry. I'm crying. I'm still dying crying. Never mind. Stanley, it's not that bad. I'll show you. I will use my magic.
Work! I'm going to throw another lighter.
Stanley, are you still crying? I will use my magic for everything to go well. My magic will do well. Ah!
Back up. You know what?
That's so beautiful. I'll use my magic for everybody to scream. Yay! Using magic. Yay! Sally, you